In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox on your laptop or PC. To begin, open any web browser of your choice. In the URL bar at the top of your browser window, type in roblox.com/download. It's crucial that you enter this URL correctly to ensure you reach the right page. Once entered, hit enter on your keyboard. This action will take you directly to the official Roblox download page. Now that you're on the download page, look for a button that says, Download Windows app. Click this button. Your browser will start downloading the Roblox installer onto your device. Once the installer has finished downloading, it may automatically appear at the top of your browser window. If not, navigate to your Downloads folder, where you'll find it listed as Roblox Player Installer.exe. Next, double-click on the downloaded file to open it. You may see a pop-up asking for permission. Click Yes, or Run, depending on what appears. The installer will now begin setting up Roblox on your device. Sit back and wait while Roblox installs itself onto your computer. This process should only take a few moments. Once installed successfully, Roblox will automatically launch. Now that Roblox is open, it's time to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in their respective fields and click Login. If you're new to Roblox and don't have an account yet, no worries. Simply click on Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions provided during registration. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox on your laptop or PC. Enjoy gaming with friends or discovering new worlds created by other users. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.